Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer ETH from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresh, this guide will have you transferring your Ethereum smoothly and securely. Why do this? Well, moving your ETH to Phantom Wallet gives you more control over your assets, especially for things like NFTs or DeFi apps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Phantom Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app or extension and create a wallet. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged into Coinbase, head over to your dashboard and locate your ETH balance. This is where the magic starts. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and copy your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Double check it to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip. Always verify the address before proceeding to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Next, go back to Coinbase and navigate to the Send or Withdraw section for your ETH. Paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember, fees might apply, so check the network fees, especially since we're dealing with Ethereum, which often uses the blockchain for transactions. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Once you submit, the transfer could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Blockchain tech evolves fast, so keep an eye on any updates to Ethereum's speed. Finally, hop back to your Phantom Wallet and refresh it. You should see your ETH arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. Your ETH is now safely in your Phantom Wallet. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.